channel Cook with Komal. So today we are going to make these crispy fries. Here I am taking 4 medium size of potatoes. After cutting all the potatoes, take water and add some salt and soak all the potatoes in the water. Now add your potatoes with water. Turn off the flame and take it out. It's half done now. Now place some tissues on the tray. You have to spread it like this. We have to dry it. Make sure it's completely dry. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a bowl and add all-purpose flour plus 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, add the fries, make sure every slice should be coated properly. Now we will fry it. Our oil is enough hot. We will add the fries. Fry for it for 5 to 8 minutes till it gets brown like this and it's crispy now. Now take it out from the oil. Now dish it out. So guys, this is our final look. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.